Hello everyone, this is Rituparna and welcome back to my new video. A quick intro for those who are new to my channel or who are watching this video for the first time. I am Rituparna Bhattacharya, student of freelance website developer, and I make videos on self-growth, productivity, quality books, working and studying online, etc. If you are interested, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Today I am gonna read a book which has gifted by my friend, that is Secret. You might have heard about this book, but I am gonna read this book for the first time, where I am gonna show how I read a book, what are the things I do while I read a book. So if you are a reader and want to read more books like me, then watch this video till the end. This is how this book looks like from all the sides. This is the first ever book I got as my birthday present. Before that, I used to borrow books from others, as well as once I gifted a book to someone as birthday gift. This book is giving me the look of some historical book, as well as the papers of this book is so thick that it can't be torn easily. This is the first ever book reading vlog I am going to do, so let me know your views in the comment section below. Here the funny thing is, along with the book, the writing pad and the pen stand is also gifted. To my surprise, the color of the pen stand, tablecloth and the book cover is matching altogether. Due to my busy schedule, I don't really get time to read a physical book. Rather, I prefer to listen to audiobooks so that I can multitask as well. I only remember reading 3 physical books in my lifetime. Rest are some e-books and others are audiobooks. I will talk about those books in my other video. Till then, enjoy this video. I will be covering 10 pages, that is one chapter of this book today. This book isn't so thick, so I think I can finish it within few days itself, depending upon how much time I get to read this book. Whenever I find a new word, I write that word and find its meaning using my phone, and I write down the word along with its meaning. This helps me improving my vocabulary as well, and I get to know lot of new words each time I read a book. Morning hours are very essential in our life. We should be spending it doing, exercising, meditating, reading good books, etc. That is why I prefer to read in morning hours only. That makes me feel productive throughout my whole day. By the way, who wouldn't want to make their morning hours better and productive by reading a good book? If that makes sense, then let me know in my comment section below. What are the things you prefer to do in your morning hours? Do you know a good book works as an apple for our mind? Because as we consume apples to stay healthy, books should also be consumed to keep our mind healthy. Let me know in the comment section below which books are you reading right now. Books can expand our horizon of knowledge and make us introduce with ourselves and with the world in a better way. That is why you can see most of the successful people of any industry is a bibliophile. A book contains long-term research and effort of a writer, which makes it interesting and resourceful, as well as it makes us see the world in a different way other than what we used to see. Now I will make some tea for myself and will sip it along with my reading. Books can be of many genres, but I personally like fiction, science fiction, fantasy, horror, poetry, quotes, etc. Let me know in the comment section below which genres are your favorite. Along with the unknown words, I also prefer to write some lines in my notepad. It can be any quote, any lesson, or any line which I consider important, which makes me look my notepad later on and take some lessons from this. After finishing the target pages, I write my own conclusion at the end. It can be written as points or by any quote or in any way I feel to summarize.
That's all for today's video. If you like this video, then do give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video as much as you can. You can follow me on my Instagram as well, and if you have any query or doubt, you can ask in the comment section below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay productive, stay happy and stay motivated.